Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here today. I welcome you once again to this channel. This is Lasojoni Talk. Alright, in this video today, in today's presentation, I'm going to be sharing with you Cryptos OTC, that is Cryptos Over the Counter, is an online platform whereby it gives you access to trade cryptocurrency on an arbitrage level. So I will show you how to register, how to fund, how to trade, and how to make withdrawal from this platform. So start making money in USDT, explore artificial intelligence in wealth creation. Because over the days, over the years, it has been established that cryptocurrency trading is one of the ways whereby you can make money online. But you can't go into crypto trading without having the full knowledge of how the market operates, of how of blockchain technology, and so many other factors. But it has been simplified by the use of artificial intelligence, and it is embedded in a platform like Cryptos OTC, whereby you can make money in cryptocurrency on a very instant. Now, but before you go into it, these are the things that you must know. You must know how to register, and I'm going to show you details, that is step by step, on how to get all these things done. So, but before I go deeply in this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasojoni Talk. For that reason, if you are new on this channel, or you are yet to subscribe, I would like you to subscribe now and click on the notification bell. So this channel is created to share with you different ways whereby you can make money online. It is a medium whereby I use to share with you financial educational content. That is some of the ways whereby I personally have been making money online, and I think it's really worth sharing with you guys so that financial stability can be our portion. Alright, so you need to subscribe and click on the notification bell, set it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next update. Okay, and if you think there is a platform that you want to join, that you are contemplating on, just forward it to me for a review. I promise you my sincere review and recommendation, so that it can serve as the basis for you to make your own personal decision, because you need to be financially free, and you also need to be responsible for your action. All right, so you can also do your own due diligence research before you jump into any of these. As I said earlier, that this channel is for financial education and not for financial advice. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is Cryptos OTC, how to register, how to fund, how to trade, and withdraw. So these four things is what I'm going to be showing you in today's presentation. So quickly, let me explain some facts about COTP for you. COTP is Cryptos OTC platform, that is crypto over the counter trading platform. That is the meaning. Now, do you know that you can earn up to 3.6% profit daily by trading USDT on COTP? COTP means Cryptos OTC Trading Platform, that is over-the-counter trading platform. Is a blockchain OTC and cryptocurrency exchange platform registered in the United States as a money service business with FinCEN, that is Financial Crime Enforcement Network, and compliant with the requirement of the Bank Secrecy Act. So I just want to give you a brief information about this company before I will show you how to go about the necessary things over there. So how do we make money by selling USDT on COTP Exchange? This is how it works. COTP has an artificial intelligence AI system which scans the international market to identify USDT buyers on cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Okex, whose bid price for USDT is higher. COTP then sells your USDT to these buyers at higher price and buys back the USDT as lower standard price and send your capital and proportion of your profit back to you after 2 hours. It means that every transaction takes like 2 hours for it to complete. So in 2 hours, you are going to get your profit and your capital back. So you can now do this over and over again in a day. So note, no buying of robots. What you just need to do is to get registered, and when you have registered, when you are a user of COTP platform, then you have access to the artificial intelligence that is embedded in the platform. Number 2, no monthly subscription. Number 3, there is no gas fee. Number 4, withdrawal fee is just 0.03. You can see that this is highly negligible, very, very small. Withdrawal takes less than 5 minutes to hit your crypto wallet. Yes, it is what I have also experienced. When I withdraw last, it entered my external wallet within 2 minutes. Number 5, minimum trading capital is $10. So you can trade as little as $10. So number 6, minimum withdrawal is also $10. Number 7, 12 rounds of trading in 24 hours at intervals of 2 hours each. 100% profit in 22 days. So you can get 100% of your capital in 22 days, but you need to trade 24 hours in a day. Because of the time difference, because of the stress, if you can't attain 24 hours in a day, you can still attain like 9 or 10. So which means at most in 30 days you are going to get your capital and your profit. So, and the last one, number 8, says no blowing of account. 247 profit gaining, no blowing of account. So you can see that this is a way whereby you can really make money online in cryptocurrency. So these are all the features of COTP platform. So right now let me take you to the platform. So this is the platform here. So before you have access to all these things, you need to register, and for that reason you can't register on your own. You need to have the activation code from an existing user. So for that reason, I'm going to drop in the description box of this video. I'll drop the registration link and the activation code so that you can get registered easily and get your account activated, and so that you can start making money immediately from this platform. So this is how the platform looks like. All right, so we have the web platform and we also have the app. So after you get registered through the web platform, then you will download the app. You are going to download the app. So the app will now give you access to all the features of this platform. So now this is the app, because I'm doing this video on a mobile device. So after you have successfully registered, then after you have also downloaded the app, then you continue with your registration. After then, for instance, let me show you how to register. Let's say this is the app. Now you come to the transaction hub here, transaction hub. So you click on it, then you choose your language. You choose your language, maybe English or any of the language that you understand very well. Okay, you choose English. If you are in an English speaking country, you select register, you choose English language, then you input your mobile phone number, but you start with your country code first. For instance, if you are in Egypt, Egypt's number starts with +20, so you select +20, then you input the rest. So after that, you click on send verification code. So immediately you send your send verification code, your SMS, the SMS will be sent to this particular number that you are registering with. And when you copy the SMS code that was sent, then you will input it here and you click on next step. So when you click on next step, then your account has been activated, your account has been created. So what the next thing that you need to do is to log in. Just need to log in. So let me log into my own account. All right, so let me log into my own account here. All right, I have successfully logged into my account here. Now, right now, I'm going to show you how to fund your account. I will show you how to trade, and I will show you how to withdraw. All right, I think I have successfully showed you how to register. Then the next thing for you to do is to fund your account. So for you to fund your account, just click on mine. Okay, I'm already in the mine section of the platform. So you click on mine here. All right, so when you click on mine here, then you click on the recharge. You click on recharge. You click on recharge here. So when you click on recharge, then you are going to see the alphanumeric code. That is the wallet address of the USDT that is linked with your own personal account. So for you to deposit, for you to recharge, for you to deposit into your account, for you to fund it, then you are going to copy the USDT wallet address and you take it to your external wallet for funding. So don't forget, you can deposit You can recharge with the minimum of $9 here. Okay, so just fund it based on your own financial strength. All right, so and within some minutes after the blockchain confirmation, it will surely reflect in your account. It will surely reflect in your account. As you can see in my total asset here, I have 165. It will surely reflect here within few minutes after the confirmation from the blockchain explorer. All right, so that is how to recharge, that is how to fund your account. Now the next thing is how to trade. So for you to trade, you click on transaction all here. Transaction all. So you click on transaction all here. So after you have clicked on the transaction all, then you click on immediate competition for orders. You click on immediate competition for orders. Immediate competition for orders. So when you click on it, the system will scan and you will be connected with another with a buyer. You can see I've been connected with this buyer from region is US United States. That is, the currency is US dollar. The name of the user of the buyer is Calvelovi. The market price is 0.993, transaction price 0.999. You can see the difference, and amount of order is 74 USDT. So I will now click on sell. I will click on sell so that it will be confirmed. So let's wait for it for the completion. Okay, it has been confirmed now, so I will now need to confirm it. Then click on confirm. You can see I have 74 USDT in the transaction space of my account. So in my wallet balance, I have 91.175. So 74 have been deducted from the 165 that I have as a total asset, and is now in the transaction. So after 2 hours, it will be completed and it will be returned back to the wallet balance. So I can withdraw everything in the wallet balance right now. So I just want to do this so that I can show you how to trade. And now, don't forget that I still have 91.175 here. You can trade until you have less than 5 USD. Until you have less than 5 USD. Let me do another one for you so that you can understand better. Searching for high price orders for you. Okay, I have been connected with another person, MMK region. Then I click on sell. So then I confirm the transaction. Confirm the transaction. You see, it has been added to in the transaction box. So I still have 42.175 in the wallet balance. So I click on immediate competition again because the balance is still more than 5 USD. It's still more than 5 USDT. Click on sell. Then confirm. So I still have 14.175. Click on immediate competition for orders. Then you click on sell. Then you click on confirm. Confirm. So if I should click on immediate competition for orders now, it won't go because the balance is less than 5 USD. You can see the balance is lower than 5. So that is how to trade. So this will be done every 2 hours. So I will need to come back after 2 hours after this has been completed to go for another trade, and both the profit and the capital will return to the wallet balance after 2 hours so that I can do another trade. So that is how to trade in COTP. It is very, very easy, very, very convenient. But this is not a sit and watch. You just need to initiate the trade. You are not the one trading it. You are not the one connecting yourself with another user, but you are the one to start it. You are the one to initiate the trade. All right. So now the next thing is how to withdraw. How to withdraw. So for you to withdraw, you click on the mine here. You click on mine, then you also click on, you need to set your wallet address, to input your wallet address for withdrawal. So for that reason, you click on personal information. You click on personal information. Then after you have clicked on personal information, then you are going to set your withdrawal address and you are going to set your transaction password. So your transaction password and your withdrawal address will be needed for you to withdraw. So you set your withdrawal address and then your transaction password. So after that, then you can now come back and you now click on withdraw here. You click on withdraw here. Click on withdraw here. So that is how to go about it. But don't forget the minimum withdrawal is 10 USD. So let me assume I want to withdraw this one. So I just want to show you for the sake of this video. So 4.175. Don't forget the transaction fee is 0.3%. So out of that 1.75, what I will get in actual is 4.162. Then I'm going to input my transaction password. Then the verification, I will click on it, send the verification code. The verification code will be sent to my registered phone number. So then I will copy the SMS, then input it here, then click on submit. So within 3 minutes, you are going to get the withdrawal in your wallet address. So that is how to go about the withdrawal aspect of this particular platform called COTP. So it is very easy, it's very simple to do. This is an avenue whereby you can generate residual or passive income on daily basis. So once again, for you to get started, just check the description box of this video. You are going to see, I will drop in there the registration link and the activation code so that you can start and earn online on daily basis. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, if you are yet to subscribe, it is very important that you do that. Click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next updates. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this may be the financial educational content that they might be waiting for their financial liberation. So ensure that you share this video with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. This is Last Journey Stock. Meet me in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.